I found this piece that caught my attention. Looked like it might work in the back of the van by the rear doors. So I think that's going to be another project. I'm going to have to cut, I think the top part, those are two different pieces, but they connect together. So the top part, I'm going to cut half of those legs down and drill a hole where it can fit back in there, so it can fit in the back of the van because it's a little bit too tall. But I think that will work very well for a cooking area, sink area, store stuff underneath, and I think it'll work perfectly at the back doors. So that's another project that I will be tackling. So we'll see it all fall in place one day at a time. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.